the introduction of Microsoft Fabric has changed everything. So basically, Microsoft Fabric is an end-to-end unified analytics platform which brings together all the data engineering and data analytics tools that a company needs. So this platform enhances collaboration among data engineers, data scientists, and analysts, and also along with business users in one and a single place. And during the event, we also got a first look at Power BI Copilot, which is an innovative feature aimed at boosting users' efficiency and enhancing data visualization. So with Copilot, user can simply describe in natural language that what they want to get, and Copilot will do the work in their place. So this can be used to create a report, help with a DAX measure, or summarize some data, and so on. So this development represents a major leap in making data analysis more intuitive and also more user friendly for business users that are less technical when it comes to Power BI.